Hi everyone, today is a mix and match day. Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I like doing unboxing and try-on videos from clothing subscription services. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing down below if you like fashion videos. I love doing these. I am not an expert. I just like clothes. So please consider subscribing down below and click on the little bell, and every time I get a new box in the mail and we can try on a whole bunch of cute little clothes, you'll be notified right away. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I enjoy reading your opinions and your thoughts and what you like and what you don't like. And this has just been a blast so far. So thank you very much. Now, for those of you who don't know what mix and match is, let me give you a quick little rundown so we can get right into the box. It is a styling service. You go online, you'll fill out a style profile. You tell them what you like, what you don't like, your size, your everything. They'll ask you everything. They have 3 different options for you to choose from. You pick a box, you'll receive it in the mail. You get 5 days to try everything on in the comfort of your own home, like we're gonna do here today. And you only pay for what you keep and you send back the rest for free. They will give you the return mailer for you to send everything back. And I will include a link down below in the description box. If you have any further questions, just click on that link and it will take you to their website, and they walk you through it. It is really quite simple. Okay, am I forgetting anything? Oh, I am wearing a mix and match dress. I received this in my box last month and I just love it. It's a ghillie dress. So I thought I'd wear it and open my new mix and match box. All right, guys, so with all that said, let's get straight into it and see what they sent me. Okay, guys, got my glasses on. I went ahead and unwrapped the bundle. I just want to give you a little peekaboo before you see the clothes on. There is the bundle. That's the way it looks after you unwrap it. And I also forgot to tell you that this is going to be a fall transitional box. I asked my stylist, she emailed me and she said, are you interested in anything? And I'm like, yeah, some fall clothes. So that's going to be good. I can't wait to see what she sent. Okay, now let's get to trying the clothes on. Okay, guys, I am back. I have tried everything on. I can't wait to share everything with you guys. This was a pretty good box and I'm pretty excited. So with that said, we're going to start with the bomber jacket first. This was the Skies Are Blue navy floral bomber jacket, size medium, for $50. The material is 100% rayon, but on the inside it's 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Okay, I really like this jacket, guys. The only thing negative I can say about it is it has fake pockets. The pockets are not real, and I kept wanting to put my hand in the pocket and the pocket isn't there. But it's very super lightweight. This would not be, I live in Ohio, so this is definitely only for fall or spring. I could get some use out of this. You may not be able to tell in the video, but it's almost just like a shirt material. It's not going to keep you too warm, but it'll keep the wind off of you. So it's very lightweight, good for that kind of thing. Maybe if you're indoors, it would be great for that too. But yeah, I thought this was so cute. I'm not a big fan of bomber jackets, but you put a floral print on it and I'm kind of sold. I like it. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to go over at the end of the video and give you my final thoughts. But okay, let me show you, break it down into the next item. It was this top. Okay, this was the All in Favor mauve short sleeve loose fit tunic top with draped crossover front design, a tucked under hem, and a deep V neckline in a size small. Now it is 97% rayon and 3% spandex, and it says to hand wash, but I won't hand wash. I won't. But I will take my chances because I really like this shirt too. Am I already giving it away, my thoughts and opinions, ain't I? Okay, this was only $34 and I liked it. It was very soft on the skin. I liked the way it hung. I felt it fit me well. Yeah, and I just like the color. I mean, it's just a pretty color. It does have a crossover front, but it is sewed right here in the front. So yeah, overall a very cute shirt. I love how it comes down further in the back, and then it has these, you know, the way it drapes, and it's shorter in the front, and it looks really good under that jacket. I really love the way she paired this shirt and that jacket. I thought it really went really well with the jeans. All right, let's start with the jeans. These were the Dear John Playback Cuffed Lola size 29 jeans. They were pretty super comfortable on. As you can see, they came this way cuffed, but in the video I uncuffed them. So I'm going to show you that look first, since that's how I put the look together first. But as you can see, you can uncuff these. They're not sewn shut, and they have this raw hem, and then it has this cute little design right here on the side, like a little split. So these jeans you can wear two ways. You can wear straight leg like this, or wear them cuffed. It has this whiskering, it has some light fading in the front here. It is more of a, it doesn't say if it's mid-rise or low-rise, but I would say it's low to mid-rise. The pockets are functional. It's 5 pockets. And here's the back. There's a little bit of fading on this. And then here's the bottom again. I got them cuffed. But yeah, pretty cute. In this first way I'm showing you, I had them uncuffed and I just put some black booties with them. So that was the first look. And then in the second look, when I show you this next shirt, I paired them with some tennis shoes and I cuffed them. All right, so let's get into this next shirt. Is the Dreamer Heather Berry soft pullover sweater in a size small/medium, and it is 50% viscose and 27 poly and 23% nylon, and it is a hand wash. Oh guys, this was so soft. It feels like, oh, it just felt so nice on. And as you can see, it is lower in the front and comes down longer in the back, which I really do like that. It had this cute little V. And this was, did I say the price? This was $45. But yeah, I love the V. It is very thin. It is not going to be a heavy, you know, in the dead of winter, but it would be a good fall and spring transitional piece. So I'm really enjoying this piece too. I was able to raise the arms or just scrunch them up, and they stayed scrunched up. So like when I'm doing dishes and stuff, that's really convenient. Yeah, so I really like this too. Just a nice, good, basic, lightweight sweater. Now with this sweater, I will pan down and show you the jeans cuffed, and I put a pair, since I felt like this was a casual sweater, I put the jeans on and I cuffed them, and then I put some white sneakers on with it to give it a more casual vibe instead of black booties. And yeah, I thought that was a cute look too. They almost had like a boyfriend jean kind of look to me. But yeah, I really, they were definitely giving me two totally different looks. So what do you guys think? Do you like them better cuffed or uncuffed? All right. Now, this next shirt, this is the Love Stitch dark slate button-down V-neck flyaway top with textured jacquard sleeves and multi-crochet lace inserts, size small, 100% rayon. I did not like this shirt at all. There is no way I'm keeping this shirt. First off, it was way too low cut in the front. I had to put a cami on underneath it even to show you guys this video. And to even get this on, it was so tight on my arms, I could hardly put it on. You guys almost didn't even get to see this on because it was so tight on my arms. But I managed to get it on. But yeah, it's too small, too tight. I just didn't care for the overall look. Even though I do like bell sleeves and I like the length of these bell sleeves, it was just the crochet. There was no stretch in it and I was just like, I can't move. So yeah, that's a big old no for me. I know I'm not keeping that one at all. Okay guys, my last video, as I was telling you guys, was all summer dresses. Now Faith must want me to buy this dress because this was in my last box. Yes, Faith, you said it to me again. So anyway, I went ahead and tried it on again. If you watch my last video, you will see me in this dress. So this is like deja vu. But anyways, when I saw it, I started laughing, and I'm sure it was just an honest mistake. But it's a cute dress. I already purchased one not too long ago, pretty similar to that, and that's why I didn't purchase it the first time. This was the Geely black short sleeve dress, size medium, for $46. And it is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. But yeah, I thought that was funny. So you'll get to see this dress twice. You guys are going to be like, okay, enough of that dress. So I thought, well, she's going to really try to sell me this dress. And she might have sold me the dress because, guys, okay, I'm going to go over everything and explain my reasonings behind that sentence that I just said, because I said I wasn't going to double buy stuff. But in this circumstance, like I said, if you buy 5 out of the 6 items, you'll get a 25% discount. Yeah, so, okay, first off, the bomber jacket, yes, all day, yes, I'm buying this. I love that one. I'm pretty sure I'm buying that. I think I like the Dear John jeans. I feel like, yes, they are more expensive jeans than I normally like buying. But also, I paired these jeans. I will try to include this clip right here. I paired it with a pair of cuffed with a pair of black booties. Do you guys like it cuffed with the white tennis shoes or with the black booties? Give me your opinion, because when I was trying to style this in my closet, I didn't know how to style it to show you guys. So I settled originally on the white tennis shoes, but then I put the black booties on, so I wanted your guys' opinion. Tell me what you like. Do you like the black booties cuffed or the white tennis shoes when it's cuffed? Okay, so we'll finish on to this one. This was the lightweight sweater. It's very lightweight. It's very comfortable. I like that it's longer in the back, shorter in the front. So I like this one a lot too. And as I told you earlier, this one I hated. No, goodbye. Don't even want to try that. So that takes that out. So now that leaves me with the dress that I didn't want to double buy, because I did the math. Now let me take you guys on this journey here. Okay, if I kept 3 pieces, the one shirt, the jacket, and the jeans, that would come to $180. But if I keep 5 pieces, these 5 pieces, because I'll get the discount of 25%, I can get all 5 pieces for $175. So I'm actually saving $5 by getting the dress and the other shirt that I really liked anyway. And I really liked the dress. I just didn't want to double buy because it was financially, I got to be careful. But basically, in this situation, it's free. I think I'm going to lay on 5 pieces. And I don't know if I said this earlier, but Mix and Match has this 3-month payment plan, and I'm going to read this to you. It says, take advantage of our 3-month payment plan. Contact your stylist to set it up, and your payments will be divided into 3 separate payments. Total purchase must equal $100 or more. So this will be $175. So if I break it up into 3 monthly payments, that'll make it more affordable for me. So guys, I think I'm getting 5 out of 6. If this shirt would have fit me, I would have probably kept it, but I just really, no, I don't think I would have kept it. I just didn't like it. I like bell sleeves, but no, not that one. Okay, so that's enough of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are liking my videos, please click the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate you, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.